Good morning, UC Health EMS. This is Cricket, and today I'm coming to you from my garage. I have to come out here because it's super early in the middle of the night, and I don't want to wake up my husband inside sleeping. We did get a few people turning in their names from the workout from last week. However, it was after Leslie and I got together on Sunday afternoon to draw the names, and at that point there weren't any names that were turned in. So thank you to those of you who did participate last week. Remember, your cutoff time is noon on Sunday to email back to me. This is our 6th week of doing our workouts. I don't even know how many weeks we've actually been. I think it's our 8th week that the team Scrubbing Bubbles, has officially been over at EMS. Okay, so your workout this week is pretty straightforward, other than you have to count and have a minute timer. There's going to be 3 different moves, and we're going to go through this 3 different times. So the first move is what is called a penguin. I'll explain it first, and then I'll show you what it is. It's laying on your back with your legs bent, feet flat on the floor, slightly elevating your shoulders and your head off the floor, arms straight and your palms up to the ceiling, and you alternate touching your heel with your pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will show you that in a second. The second move is a high plank, knees to elbow. So your hands are on the ground, arms are straight, toes are on the ground behind you, a nice flat back, no booties in the air, no cheating. And then bend one leg, bring it towards your elbow, bend the other leg, bend it towards your elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. Then your third move is what is called a jumping lunge, or you can just do lunge walks or lunges. And that is 1 foot in front, 1 foot in back, both knees bending, and you pop up and switch like you're doing a little scissors kick at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'd like you to do is to do all 3 and give me your cumulative the first round. So it's 3 minutes of work, 1 minute off, 3 different times. So let me go through. I will set this right on my little wall here. Okay, so your penguins, as I said before, you're laying on your back, your head and your shoulders are slightly elevated, a nice relaxed chin, so don't tuck it too far down, palms up, and I'm trying to go for my ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's pretend in that first minute you get 60 of them, just for counting's sake. And then we go into your high plank, knees to elbows. So then I would go 61, 62, 63, 64. Let's pretend you got 60 of those also. So that brought you to 120. And then you have your lunge jumps. 1, 2, 123, 124, and so on. And then you have a minute break. So 3 different times. And I want you to tell me the number of your best set. So if your first set, let's say you got 60, 60, 60. Let's say you had 180. And then the next time you had 200. And then the third time you had 160. I want you to submit 200. Just write the numbers 200 in an email right back to me. And then we will do a drawing on Sunday shortly afternoon when Leslie and I are both in the office. All right, guys, have a great week. Be safe, be well, and get fit.